Hello, teacher.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Alice.
Are you ready to have
Yes.
a speaking test today?
Yes.
Okay, now let's start. Part 1. How often does Evo go shopping?
Evo always go shopping.
How often does Anissa feed the cat?
Anissa always feed the cat.
How often does Evo cook?
Evo always cook.
Okay, let's go to part 2. This is an interview question and answer portion. There are suggested ideas that you can choose from. Alice, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what chores do you do?
I go shopping.
You go shopping. How often do you go shopping, Alice?
I go shopping every day.
Do you go shopping every day?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to part 3. I'm gonna ask you and you answer me, okay?
Yes.
Now, does Pedro like riding horses?
No, he doesn't.
Does Pedro like playing soccer?
Yes, he does.
Does Pedro like dressing up?
No, he doesn't.
Okay, now let's go to part 4. Talk about what you like and you don't like. Using and but to connect ideas. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
I like do puzzle. I don't like dressing up.
Okay, this is the end of your speaking test today. Alice, thank you so much. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Good job.